How to make a ghost effect like this using the CapCut app. There are two ways to create a ghost effect in CapCut. The first way. Go to the Effects menu and tap Video Effects. Look at the Nightclub category. Find and select the Astral effect. Tap Adjust, then change the speed to 0. Now, let's see the results. Well, with this first method, you can freely determine in which part of the video the ghost effect will be applied, and also copy it into several pieces. The second method is a bit tricky, but I'm sure you can do it. Split the part of the video you want, then copy it. Move the copy to the overlay track, then align it. Look for the Opacity menu and set it to something like 30. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and another at the end of the clip. Then zoom in on the screen size of the video, like this. Next, look for the Graphs menu and select the Ease Out to effect. The last step, look for the Animation menu then in the Out category, select an effect called Fade Out. Finished. And here are the results for both methods. Okay guys, those are two tutorials for creating a ghost effect using the CapCut app. Hopefully useful, and thanks for watching.